Today we are going to learn about welded sounds. What is welded sound? Welded sounds are letters that stuck so tightly together that the letters make a new sound. All is a welded sound. A-L-L sounds like all. M makes welded sound. A-M says am. N is a welded sound. A-N says an. Now we are going to learn about welded sounds with 3 different letters. This is ang. Ang is a welded sound. A-N-G says ang. Ang is a welded sound. Let's look an example. The word is fang. When we say the sound, there are 2 parts. Ang, fang. A-N-G is a welded sound that says ang. This word is fang. Ang, fang. This is ing. Ing is a welded sound. I-N-G says ing. Ing is a welded sound. Let's look an example. This is a ring. When we say the sound, there are 2 parts. R-ing, ring. I-N-G is a welded sound that say ing, ring, r-ing, ring. This is ong. Ong is a welded sound. O-N-G says ong. Ong is a welded sound. Let's look some example. This word is song. When we say the sound, there are 2 parts. S-ong, song. O-N-G is a welded sound that says ong. S-ong, song. This word is song. This is ang. Ang is a welded sound. U-N-G is a welded sound that says ang. Ang. Let's look an example. This word is lung. When we say the sound, there are 2 parts. L-ang, lung. U-N-G is a welded sound that says ang. L-ang, lung. Now you have learned these new welded sounds. Let's practice. King. What is the welded sound ending for the word king? King ends with the welded sound I-N-G that says ing. King is weld. K-I-N-G, king. When we say the sound, there are 2 parts. K-ing, king. Gong. What is the welded sound ending for the word gong? Gong ends with the welded sound O-N-G which says ong. Gong. G-O-N-G, gong. If we say the sound, there are 2 parts. G-ong, gong. Bang. What is the welded sound ending for the word bang? Bang ends with the welded sound A-N-G. Ang. Bang. B-A-N-G, bang. When we say the sound, there are 2 parts. B-ang, bang. Rung. Rung means ladder. What is the welded sound ending for the word rung? Rung ends with the welded sound U-N-G that says ung. Rung. R-U-N-G, rung. When we say the sounds, there are 2 parts. R-ung, rung. Before we finish, we have to review. Welded sounds are letters that stuck so tightly together that the letters make a new sound. Ink is a welded sound. A-N-G says ink. Ink is a welded sound. I-N-G says ink. Onk. Onk is a welded sound. O-N-G says onk. Unk is a welded sound. U-N-G makes unk.
Thank you for watching my video.
प्लीज़ लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें, बेल आइकन प्रेस करें।